people continue to move here because of the schools. So we are growing, we're continuing to grow. It looks like we're going to top out at about 22,000, maybe 23 in the year 2022. Should be when we start hitting that peak. But by the way, I don't want you to think that we're waiting till then to address that. We're addressing that right now. We don't want to get there, because if we start planning and thinking about, wow, maybe we need to do something different, it's way too late. We've already stated that we want to stop building, even though we know we're going to continue to grow. I've had many individuals say, well, you know, that Fourth High School is on this bond issue. No, that Fourth High School is not on this bond issue. In fact, we're trying very hard to make sure that Fourth High School doesn't happen. And we're doing various things with that I'll talk about in a little bit.